Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So with their family, spending time, and that's all we ask for and need when it comes on to the holidays. But not only that, we need to make sure we're safe during the holiday. And the police issued a safety advisory. And I know a lot of people that from Jamaica are planning to visit Jamaica during the Christmas season or the New Year season. Watch my videos, and it says, as the party season reaches its peak, the police are urging members of the public to be mindful of road safety practices. Chief among these is to always have a designated driver, as a tendency during the merriment of the season is to consume alcohol. Besides being illegal in most instances, the consumption of alcoholic drinks, even in moderation, can be extremely debilitating for drivers. And many crashes have resulted from the poor judgment and increased response times that alcohol use causes. In addition, persons are being urged to refrain from driving when extremely tired or have a state of mind that makes absolute focus on the task at hand impossible. Drivers are further reminded to obey the speed limits, ensure all passengers are properly secured in the motor vehicle using seat belts, car seats, and booster seats. 3. Ensure vehicles are roadworthy. A special appeal is also being made to pedestrians. They're being reminded of the following. Make sure you can be easily seen at all times, especially at night. Light colored clothing are recommended. Cross the road at the safest place possible. Use pedestrian crossing when possible. 3. As much as possible, choose routes that are well lit by street lights for maximum visibility. With the 23 road crashes resulting in the death of 25 persons since the start of December, the police are reminding persons that the data indicates that human errors were the cause of many of the fatal collisions. As such, drivers are being reminded that it is in their best interest to obey the rules of the road and drive with due care and courtesy for other road users. It should be reminded that the full force of the law will be applied to those who are caught breaking the law. So enjoy your holidays, but please keep safe. Tell the people that you love them. Enjoy their company. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And happy holidays and happy new year when it comes. I love you guys. Deuces.